In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Trello account. We'll walk through a clear, reliable process using a secure backup tool so you can protect your boards, cards, and attachments with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to app.probackup.io. Sign into your account to access the dashboard. Once you're in, look to the top left and click the plus icon. This is how you add a new connection for a backup. From the list of available apps, choose Trello. Selecting Trello tells the tool which platform you want to protect. Next, click Sign in with Trello. A Trello window will appear asking you to confirm the connection. Review the permissions shown, then click the highlighted button to continue and grant access. This step uses Trello's secure authorization so the backup tool can read your data and create a safe copy without you sharing your password. You'll now be asked to verify your email. Open your email inbox, find the message with your verification code, and copy that code. If it isn't in your inbox, give it a minute and check your spam or promotions folders. Returning to the setup screen, paste the code into the verification field and confirm. This ties your backup connection to the correct account and keeps everything secure. When verification is complete, click Start Backup. You'll see a progress indicator begin to move. Keep the browser tab open and let it run until it reaches 100%. The first backup can take a bit longer if you have many boards, cards, or large file attachments, so be patient. If the progress seems to pause momentarily, that's normal. Just let it finish. After the backup reaches 100%, click Connect Google Drive. This links your backup to a cloud storage location you control, giving you an extra layer of redundancy and easy access if you ever need to restore or review data. Follow the standard Google prompts, choose the Drive account you want to use, and confirm. Once connected, your backup files will be stored in Drive, keeping them safe and accessible. That's the full process. Sign in at app.probackup.io, add a new connection with the plus icon, pick Trello, authorize the connection, verify your email with the code, start the backup, wait for it to complete, and connect Google Drive to store your copies. Keep your login details secure, always verify you're connecting the correct Trello account, and allow the first backup enough time to complete. With this setup, you'll have peace of mind knowing your Trello data is protected and ready when you need it.